Okay, this is inside the cab of the D10T. We're starting for the beginning of the shift. And this one here's a real pig, so I'll have to put it down on a pre-start. It's just nasty. And fire suppression is borderline. This here I'll have to report. It's actually a category A fault. But anyway, let's go through this thing. So there's our key down there. It does a self-check. Goes down. It's a self-testing. Now when everything goes back, you start it. Alright, so some basics on the controls, the seat. That one there raises it. Good little tip, especially if you're not 6 foot something. Get the seat up as high as possible, because what it's going to do is make it bloody easy to see your blade. Normally when you're dozing, you only look out this side there. That little gap you can see down the bottom, right down there, that's pretty much your window for dozing. That's what you get to see. So if your seat's high, you can see down there. You can see how nice and forward now, so that's a beautiful view. But anyway, that's pretty much where we look. That's what I see out that side there. So pretty much that's your trailing edge. Park brake. With your revs, always push your deaccelerator in.
You there, Percy? 304? Yeah, mate. Mate, you'll be taking that low grade to that Skyway ramp there. The doze will be up there. Guide you guys in. Oh, this goes very close karting then. Yeah, mate, yeah. Not a problem.
There's that little computer. I'll make a separate video on how that works. A bit of fun and games with it. There's all your lights, windscreen wipers, aircon, etc. And guess what? The all important good bit.
You do, Lisa.